Hi guys, my name is Barbara and I'm part of the U team. In this video, available in our second You at Home ebook, I'll show you how to entertain yourself and not get bored.
I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.
So today I'm going to show you how to make your own quarantine album. There are many sites you can choose from to create an album online. The one I'm using is FLIPSNACK here. Okay, and it's pretty easy to use. Let me show you. You're going to go to FLIPSNACK. This page will show. And you sign in with your Google account. You can use Facebook if you don't have one, or sign in with a new account. I'm using Google. This is my email. It is opening. Okay, just a second. Great. Then you go to templates. You can create your own from scratch, from zero. You can create your own template or choose from the ones they give you the option here. Good. Now you come here and you choose photo albums. And then there are many options you can choose from. I'm going to choose this one here just to show you. Use template. And there you go. Your photo album is ready for you to be creative and edit it and add to it and do whatever you like. Okay, mine is ready and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is my quarantine photo album. Let's take a look. See? It looks great. Do you like it? How about starting yours? If you like it, just send us. We would love to see it. If you like this activity, you might check out the others in our ebook. See you next time, guys.